What was your biggest fear when you made that decision? This is the path that we're going for.
My biggest fear, I think it's that I'll make the wrong decision.
Do you remember any aha moment throughout the process?
Oh my gosh, there were so many. Talking about how to acquire properties, how to apply so many different strategies. It's like we learn within our network and within our education that we've got multiple strategies that we can apply to any one product or any one property. And so we find a property, it looks like it, would work. We can sit there and just run through the numbers and run through the alternatives. Like, do we want to fix and flip it? Do we want to keep it as a long-term rental? Do we want to keep it as an Airbnb? Do we want to wholesale it? I mean, there's just so many options in different ways that you can make money in real estate.
The fact that all this strategy has been here for decades, and just recently we both discovered, and I'm like, what was I doing before?
Yeah.
So, and that's why we're here sharing your journey, because I do want other people to have the same opportunity that we have, that we are working every day to keep growing and learning, because real estate works. This is not just us talking. More than 80% of the millionaires in this country around the world has become millionaire, multimillionaire through real estate. It's just not just the pretty house, but it's our journey as an investor, the behind the scenes of those houses that we are creating and renovating, and everybody that we're touching lives every day. With this particular deal that you are working on right now, how did you find this deal?
We found this through our network. We have lots of opportunities to network in person at different meetups throughout the month. And we had met a really sweet lady. She had this property, but she had no education or no background in construction. And so she didn't know how to renovate this property. And it was one of the first deals that she had found. And so she wanted to find someone who was experienced in rehab and renovation. And so she brought the deal and we looked it over and realized that it was a good deal, good buy. She had it under contract, and so we decided to move forward with it.
Do you remember how much you paid for this particular property?
We paid $295,000 for the property.
Do you remember what was the renovation?
The renovation was $47,000.
What is the profit on this one?
We profited around $35,000 on the property.
So how much do you rely on our network?
As far as growing our business, the knowledge, things that we don't know,